Hi everyone, I have a haul from BeeBeeCraft. Now they have updated my coupon code. It is now Nicole20. So I'll leave a link to that down below in the description box. I'll link their website and I'll also link all of these products. So I ordered on November 1st and I got it by November 8th. I think that is the fastest that it's ever arrived to me. I was so surprised how fast that came in. So let me share with you guys what I got. I got a bunch of goodies. So for $5.89, I got these candy cane acrylic charms. Look at how pretty. That top side has glitter, super cute. And then there's what the back looks like. So you could stick a jump ring up here and use it as a charm, or you could glue it down to a project as a little layering piece embellishment. So I think I'm going to use these as both, because as you can see, I have more than enough in here to go ahead and do that. And then my next little item, I got so much stuff this time around. Look at how cool this is. It is a bead kit already with basically everything you need. So this was $7.13. So let's see what we got in here. We have some little silicone beads. These are going to be perfect for your beadable pins and Pokie tools. Okay, these I got to show you. I thought these were so adorable in here. These are printed. Hopefully you can see that. So they are printed little Christmas beads right here. There's like a little snowman. And then there's like Santa's little bag. There's a Christmas tree over here. Oh man, I don't think it's picking it up. There's a little Santa face right there. Super adorable. There's 4 of those in this little bag right here. Kind of with these like little rainbow silicone beads right there. And then you have red, white. Kind of like this like darker green. I don't know how to call that one. And then more like a true green. Then you have some elastic cord in case you want to make a bracelet. And you also have findings over here to do little key charms. So you get the clasp, you get the big old ring over here, and then you get this that actually like swivels. Honestly, I will probably be taking these apart and taking advantage to get multiple pieces. So I will be doing something like this. So now I have the little key ring part that I could go ahead and stick a jump ring on and then do a chunky charm off of there. And then now I have the clasp with the little swivel as well. So kind of like a twofer, you know? So I always try to extend my little crafty items the best that I can. And that's just one of the ways that I do that. So for $4.05, I love that this came in its own little kit. I didn't realize it was going to come in its own case. I thought it was just going to be like loose in a bag. So I was very surprised when I saw the little box it came in. So we have some little beads right here that are made out of clay. So you got a stocking, you have a snowman, a Christmas tree, and what's the white one? Oh, another stocking. Then you have like those little clay beads, but these are actually a bit smaller than these. So I like that they gave you a variety there. Then you have silver charms down under here, some more silver charms here with some alphabets, and then you have gold charms over here. Love that, because based off of whatever I'm creating, I will use silver or gold. So if I'm doing like blue and silver for Christmas, I'll obviously use the silver, and then for everything else I use gold. So I love that this kit had a variety of both. And look at that little Santa right there. So adorable. And look, you just get so much stuff. Oh look, there's a little blue Santa down here, a pink Christmas tree. Lots of good stuff. Look at that. Snowflake has a little rhinestone in there. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to go ahead and dive in and start using this kit. Oh, I pinched my finger. For $10.07. Look at all this yummy goodness. Okay, These rhinestone right here are my absolute favorite beads ever. I love these. They're so pretty. Look, I have some pearls. I have some candy cane, which I figured would match well with this. So I could do like candy cane chunky charm going on. So much good stuff. We have like this, oh, what is this called? Faceted cut bead right here. So much stuff. And then you have some findings right here, some jewelry findings. So you have some wire. It looks like a bit of chain, lobster clasp, and these silver beads right here that actually have a very large hole. So I think that those will fit on a Pokie tool, but we'll definitely be testing that out and be making beadable pins and Pokie tools and all that yummy goodness with all of this stuff. My next item, oh my gosh, these are adorable. Okay, they were $5.18. So it came in the Ziploc. It came in this plastic, but I forgot to tell you, so it came in a white bubble mailer, and then they actually stick it in another double bubble mailer thing, and then they still wrap each individual things that are like glass. I love how they package stuff. I don't think I've ever had anything come broken from them, which is just amazing. But okay, when I saw these in person, I was like, oh my gosh, go add to cart, go order more. Look at how gorgeous. Gorgeous. You have glass seed beads, glass little beads right here, and this little bow. How cute would these be to be earrings? You just need to stick a jump ring right here, add your little earring hook, and you have adorable little earrings. These are pretty. They are so pretty. Love those. I can't remember how many you get in here. Let me see. We have 2, 4, we got 5. So love these. This is something that I definitely cannot make. I wouldn't have the patience to make these. So I am more than happy to go ahead and buy these. And you know, they just come out to a little over $1 because it was $5.18 for all 5 of those. And I'm obsessed. I definitely need more of those. This is another one I want to show you how well it was packaged. This was $3.75. And you get 9 of these glass little snowmen. How adorable is his little face? They are all so well made. So stinking cute. Love these. I don't know if I can get it on a Pokie tool. I might be able to. So we will definitely be testing that out later and seeing if we could go ahead and do that. I love these. This is going to be another add to cart. I love glass beads. They're just so like fancy looking and beautiful when they're well made, and I just love those. So cannot wait to go ahead and use those up. Let's see, this was $3.28. Again, it comes with its own little storage case. Love that. And then we have some smaller beads here. So we have a couple glass beads, a couple plastic beads, a couple of these rhinestone beads. Now these in the clay aren't my favorite because they don't always come out nice, but this one actually looks like a good quality there. So again, I figured I needed these that are half red, half white, so I can make a little candy cane chunky charm. Of course, I'm going to need red and green just for all my other little projects. And I love having a variety of sizes. And when they're glass, they just, like I said, feel fancy, you know? Like, just, I don't know. I love the little clinkle of it, you know? Like the little jingle that it makes when you know, shake them together. Let's see, for $4.55. Again, it has its own little storage case. Love that. I got a bunch of gold charms because I need them, right? I'm going to be doing a bunch of like little dangles. Even if you're doing paper crafting, you could go ahead and put a hole in your die cut or your shaker, add a little eyelet, and then hang a little charm off of there. Oh, look, there's another one of those. Oh, look, the angel has little rhinestones. So yeah, super cute. Oh, that's adorable. Love that. So I love that there's a variety of sizes. Now these are all in gold. So love that. Cannot wait to start playing with those. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below to everything to make it easy for you guys to go ahead and shop. Okay, this one, so cute. Let's see, $3.06. This one I remember was 40 pieces, but it came in a variety of sizes. So here's like a little one, here's a larger one. So I didn't know how big the little ones would be, so my idea was to go ahead and drill a hole through here and get like a little face bead and put it at the bottom to make like the little hat. So I'm gonna try that and see if that works. So here's two sizes here. Okay, just really quickly looking through the bag, I found 4 different sizes. So here's my larger one. Here's like a medium one, but the top hat is shorter, so you can see in comparison. Then there is this one that's a smaller size, but a really tall little top part of the hat. And then there's this one that is kind of like a perfect little small medium size. So there might be more sizes in here. Like I said, it was just what I saw right off the bat that I was able to grab out of there. So these are gonna be really fun. I told my mom that I want her to crochet me a snowman and then to use one of these hats. I think that would be super cute as well. So we'll see what we end up coming up with using those. Okay, my last item here, again, look at how it's packaged, so nice. This is $12.80. So look at how cool these are. They are done for you. They are bookmarkers. It came with 3 little bags here. Let's open one of these. Oh my gosh, how cute. Okay, in love already. And it's so funny, my mom was trying to steal a Jack Skellington bookmarker for me, and I was fighting her like, no. These are so cute. I'll definitely give her one of these. So they're basically like done for you, but I think I'm definitely going to add a couple more beads to here and just kind of make it my own as well. So stay tuned for that. I love the print on here. It's giving me like spring vibes with the butterflies and the flowers. Very pretty. So there was a reindeer. I have a little holly berry, little gingy guy. Let's see, a snowman, a Santa. And, oh, look at the little book. How cute. Another little Santa. And a reindeer, a house, and a Santa hat. So I'm definitely going to add beads to here. My mom does read. Like, we just went on vacation and she bought 2 books while we were on vacation. So I'm going to add more beads to it. And then I'll have her test it out and let me know if it's too heavy for her. And kind of see, like, what can we put on? You know, I don't want to make these too heavy that they're not comfortable to carry around. But I think looking in my pack that they are all the same, so I'm not gonna open these. I'll save those. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. I'm more than happy to help you guys out, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.